اے میرے رب، میری دعا ہے کہ ہم سب کو نمازوں اور وضو کرنے والوں میں شامل فرما دے، آمین۔ پھر تو نماز قائم کرو، کیونکہ یہی مومن کی معراج ہے، دین کا سکون اور چہرے کا نور ہے، کہ کہیں تمہارا حشر بھی فرعون، نمرود، فرعون، قارون، رحمان جیسے 5 وقت قائم نہ ہو جائے۔ پھر تو نماز قائم کرو، بس اپنے کردار کا تو باقی بن جا، جیت نہ پائے تجھ سے تو ایسی بازی بن جا۔ اپنی شرط یہ ہے کہ تو پہلے نمازی بن جا، شرط یہ ہے کہ تو پہلے نمازی بن جا۔ السلام علیکم وبرکاتہ۔ In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to share my view about importance of education. Education plays a very important role in one's life. It helps us to be successful and to be a better person. Education improves our knowledge, skills, confidence level and personality. It empowers us intellectually and helps us to deal with problems. In today's competitive world, good education has become a necessity. Higher education helps in getting a good job and position. Education also prepares people for different life experiences. It helps people to have a special status in society. Moreover, education polishes our mind and strengthens our character. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Respected teacher and my dear fellows, today the topic of speech is Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The life is the Holy Prophet is a role model for every person of this world who believe Allah and the day of the judgment. The world has seen a lot of scholars of and preachers, but none was great as the last prophet of Allah alignment. His career was regarded. He had no option but to follow me. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sent his messages in every period of history to guide the humanity. The world has seen a lot of scholars, prophets and preachers, but none was as great. Thank you.